Ever dream of starting your own small-scale factory without leaving the house or breaking the bank? By the end of this video, I'll be sharing with you 5 mini machines to import from China that will let you manufacture real products right from your home or your garage or your warehouse. Machine number 5 is my favorite. These machines are fully automatic and can be easily imported from China at very affordable prices. They deliver ready-to-sell products and are designed to turn your entrepreneurial dreams into reality. Stay tuned until the end because these machines will give you a solid foundation to start and grow your business in the coming years. Machine number 1, the Slush machine. Slush machine is an ideal mini machine that has come to replace deep freezers or fridge. Slush machine is an ideal tool for entrepreneurs looking to enter into the frozen beverage or refreshment market. It transforms flavored liquids into colorful, ice-cold slush drinks ready to serve without the need for a separate freezer, making setup faster and more cost-effective. Additionally, it offers endless opportunities to innovate with unique flavors such as fruit blends, cola, energy slush, sugar-free options, or vitamin-infused drinks, making it attractive to kids, families, event organizers, and fitness-conscious consumers. You can market your Slush products at kiosks, malls, beaches, schools, festivals, and online delivery platforms that connects with customers looking for refreshment and fun. Moreover, this machine is easy to operate and maintain, and because it has a built-in cooling system, you save on extra equipment, electricity, and space. This makes it a perfect choice for entrepreneurs who want to start a simple, low-overhead business with strong daily cash flow. With the right location and promotion strategy, you can quickly establish a brand. Besides that, you can establish yourself a high-demand, fast-growing market. And guess what? 12 liters of this machine costs only $550 to import from us. We can arrange delivery from China to any part in the world. We are a registered trading company based in China. More than 70% of people who import from China fail because of this one reason. They are traveling to China to go and figure it out. Wait, you left your country to another man's land to go and figure it out? Another man's land where you don't know how to speak their language, you don't understand their culture, you don't know where to go to. Like how? You don't need 5 years experience to do it like a pro. All you need is the right guidance, proper planning, right implementation to do it like a pro. Don't import from China blindly. It's because of you that I have come to live and stay in China for over 8 good years now, learn Chinese business so that business will be easy for you. If you are new here, we are a registered trading company based in China, and all you need is DAKS Business Consult. With the right guidance, you can save yourself time, money, and costly mistakes. With DAKS Import Consult, all you need is your phone, internet access, and the right strategy to import from China safely and confidently without getting scammed. We offer business consultation, product sourcing, procurement, payment of Chinese suppliers, reliable shipping services. If you are serious about importing from China the right way, book a consultation with us today. Don't guess. Import smart. Machine number 2, the nut roaster machine. The nut roaster machine is a powerful and versatile tool for entrepreneurs looking to enter or expand within food processing and healthy snacks market. It is designed to roast a wide variety of nuts and seeds such as peanuts, almonds, cashews, sesame seeds, sunflower seeds, and ensuring consistent flavor, aroma, and quality. This machine allows you to produce premium roasted nuts for direct consumption or as raw materials for products like nut butter and snack packs. You can also create value-added products by roasting with flavors such as honey, chili, garlic, or lightly salted options to attract different customer segments. Roasted nut products are in high demand among athletes, office workers, families, vegans, and health-conscious consumers. You can sell your products through supermarkets, local markets, schools, health food stores, and online platforms, building a trusted brand in a fast-moving consumer market. The nut roaster machine is easy to operate and energy efficient. Besides, it needs few maintenance, making it ideal for startups and growing businesses. With proper packaging and marketing, you can quickly scale production and establish a strong presence in a constantly expanding market. With an estimated initial investment of $5,000 to $1,000, you can start this business. If you need this machine, just contact us. Remember, we are your #1 registered trading company based in China. Machine number 3, the nut butter maker machine. This is an ideal tool for entrepreneurs looking to stand out in the healthy food market. It processes seeds like peanuts, almonds, nuts, transforming them into smooth, ready-to-package creams perfect for selling. Additionally, it offers the opportunity to innovate with unique flavors such as chocolate, coconut, or combinations with superfoods, making it perfect for attracting athletes, vegans, and families. You can market your products in local markets, health food stores, and online platforms, creating a brand that connects with consumers mindful of their well-being. Moreover, this machine is easy to operate and maintain, making it a perfect choice for entrepreneurs who want to start a manageable business with significant growth potential. With the right promotional strategies, you can quickly establish yourself in a constantly expanding market. With an estimated initial investment of $700 to $5,000, you can start this business by importing this machine from China. Machine number 4 is the plastic bottle blowing machine. This is an ideal solution for entrepreneurs looking to enter into the packaging market of food or beverages and cleaning products. These machines allow you to produce bottles in different sizes and designs, tailored to the needs of businesses such as water, oil, juice, and detergent manufacturers. One major advantage is that it supports biodegradable and eco-friendly materials, opening the door to sustainable packaging niches that are growing rapidly worldwide. With a rising demand of customized and branded packaging, especially among small and medium businesses, this machine gives you the ability to offer personalized bottle designs that help brands stand out. You can supply local businesses or scale up and position yourself as a reliable supplier to large distributors. Its capacity for high volume production, combined with design flexibility, makes it a powerful tool in a highly competitive market. This machine is easy to operate, high efficient, and designed to help you reduce production costs while maintaining consistent product quality. With an estimated initial investment of about $3,000 to $30,000, you can start this business. Machine number 5, and that is my favorite, the Aromatic candle making machine. The Aromatic candle making machine is an excellent choice for entrepreneurs looking to enter into the decoration and wellness market. This machine automates the production of candles in different sizes, shapes, and scents, allowing you to create personalized, visualized, appealing products for a wide range of customers. With the growing demand for home decor and relaxation products, aromatic candles are in high demand across decoration stores, gift shops, event planners, and online marketplaces. This equipment allows you to produce candles made with natural essences, unique designs, and custom themes for special occasions such as weddings, holidays, birthdays, and corporate events. It is compact, easy to operate, and ideal for entrepreneurs starting from home or with limited space. Candle production is a business that is both highly profitable and easily scalable. With an estimated initial investment of $9,000, you can start this business. If you have watched this video to the end, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like this video for more business ideas from this channel. Remember, we are your #1 trading company based in China, and we help businesses help their dreams come into reality. So if you need anything from China, just contact us. And if there's any machine I've not mentioned in this video, just comment in the comment section and we will do research and give you all the details about these machines and the businesses you can start. You don't need huge money before you can start. With little capital, we will get you a machine, arrange delivery from China to your doorstep. Until then, see you in the next video.